for the first time, we're implementing the Global Compact on refugees. People always tell me, when are you going to implement it? We're already implementing it here. With the multiple partners cooperating towards development projects, irrigation, education, vocational training. The two communities, the Ethiopian host community and the Somali refugees, have been able to work together in harmony.
Local economy is part of the rise of the community, the lively developments, the community developing itself, finding opportunities to live as a normal community, and in this case, refugees and host community together.
What has developed here is a unique approach to self-reliance of refugees.